With Moto's AI accuracy, we've been able to see a reduction in close calls due to the cameras being in place at all times.
Most drivers are skeptical of cameras in vehicles. It's natural. Nobody likes to have Big Brother looking over their shoulder. So it really comes down to change management. When you're rolling out this technology to them, it really is an exoneration tool, and by and large, that's what we use it for. We're always looking for ways to improve the safety environment that we operate in. There has been numerous occasions where drivers have done evasive maneuvers. They've gone above and beyond the call to avoid serious accidents, protecting their vehicles and the passengers that they carry. And without the camera there to witness it and allow us to provide constant and positive feedback to what they're doing, it would just be their word against what we assume is going on in the environment. It really has been a game changer for our drivers and for our company.
What can I tell the UK colleagues about the Moto system? Well, the Moto has already improved our system by far. With real GPS tracking and the safety events being sent to right away, it's very easy to keep track of the safety of your fleet and where they're moving to.
Even if you are used to or have used other technology platforms in the past, Motive provides an opportunity to have data at your fingertips in real time. I highly recommend at least giving them a try and really taking a deep dive into what their platform can do. On top of that, their customer service is above anything else. There's very little wait time when you call. Issues are addressed very swiftly and competently.
If I was asked would I recommend the Moto system, absolutely I would.